What if I told you that a simple glass of baking soda water could help you prevent kidney stones, relieve heartburn, improve your oral health, and even play a role in preventing serious diseases like cancer? Sounds too good to be true, right? You're probably thinking, is this some kind of kitchen magic? Well, today we're diving deep into the science behind baking soda water. Yes, that white powder sitting in your pantry and its surprising health benefits. But before we go any further, let's clarify something. While many sources claim that baking soda water is a miracle cure for a laundry list of ailments, the truth is more nuanced. Today, we'll discuss the potential benefits, what science says, and most importantly, how to use it safely. Plus, I'll show you how to make it the right way. So if you or someone you know has used this mixture for health, drop a comment below and let us know where you're from. All right, grab your glass of water, with or without baking soda, sit back, and let's get started. Benefits of baking soda water, heartburn and indigestion relief. Let's start with the most popular use of baking soda water, relieving heartburn and indigestion. If you've ever had heartburn, you know it feels like a fire-breathing dragon has taken up residence in your chest. And trust me, dragons do not make good roommates. So, how does baking soda help? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as an antacid. When you drink it, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to produce water, carbon dioxide, and a bit of salt. This chemical reaction helps neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from that burning sensation. It's like calling in the fire department for your esophagus. But here's the catch. While baking soda water can offer quick relief for occasional heartburn, it's not a long-term solution for chronic issues. If you're reaching for that baking soda box more often than your morning coffee, it's time to chat with your doctor. Chronic heartburn might have underlying causes that need proper medical attention. Prevention of kidney stones. Now let's talk about kidney stones. If you've never had one, count yourself lucky. It's like trying to pass a rock through a drinking straw. Ouch. The most common type of kidney stone is made from calcium oxalate. Drinking baking soda water may help by making your urine less acidic, creating a less favorable environment for stones to form. Some studies even suggest that sodium bicarbonate could enhance kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. But remember, baking soda water is not a magic bullet. Staying hydrated, limiting sodium intake, and eating less animal protein are also key strategies for preventing kidney stones. Think of baking soda water as an extra layer of armor, not the whole suit. Improvement in athletic performance. All right, athletes and gym goers, this one's for you. Did you know that many athletes use baking soda to enhance their performance? It's true. And no, I'm not talking about some secret baking championship. During intense exercise, lactic acid builds up in your muscles, causing that familiar burning sensation. This lactic acid also increases the acidity in your muscles, which can limit performance. Here's where baking soda comes in. It's alkaline, meaning it can help neutralize that acidity. By making your blood slightly more alkaline, baking soda can allow your muscles to work harder for longer before fatigue sets in. Research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that athletes who consumed baking soda could work out for longer periods, especially in high-intensity activities like boxing, judo, and even rowing. So next time you're at the gym pushing your limits, maybe think about adding a pinch of baking soda to your water. Just don't blame me if you start out lifting everyone around you. Medical uses and research findings, chronic kidney disease management. Next, let's dive into something a bit more serious, chronic kidney disease, or CKD. CKD is a condition where your kidneys lose function over time, which can lead to a whole host of health issues. Here's a surprising fact. Your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the pH balance in your body. As kidney function declines, it becomes harder to keep this balance, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis. Studies suggest that baking soda can help neutralize the excess acid, reducing the strain on your kidneys. In one study, patients with CKD who took baking soda supplements had a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. However, let's make one thing crystal clear. Do not try to self-treat kidney disease with baking soda. Always work with your healthcare provider, but it might be worth bringing up at your next appointment. A little, hey doc, What do you think about adding baking soda to my treatment plan? Couldn't hurt, right? Potential in cancer treatment. Now hold on to your seats, because this one is a bit more controversial: baking soda and cancer treatment. Some research suggests that baking soda might make certain cancer treatments more effective. The theory is that many cancers thrive in acidic environments. So, by making the area around tumors less acidic with baking soda, we might be able to slow down their growth. A study published in Cancer Research found that baking soda injections in mice reduced tumor acidity and slowed the spread of breast cancer. However, and this is a big however, this does not mean baking soda cures cancer. It doesn't. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, it might be worth discussing this with your oncologist. They're the real experts, not some YouTube video. Remember, baking soda should never replace conventional treatments, but it might have a role in a comprehensive approach. Additional health benefits. Oral health improvement. All right, let's switch gears to something a bit less heavy: oral health. We all know baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste. It helps scrub away plaque and whiten teeth. But did you know drinking baking soda water could help your teeth from the inside too? Your mouth is a battlefield, home to both good and bad bacteria. Many of these harmful bacteria thrive in acidic environments. By drinking baking soda water, you can help neutralize the acids in your mouth, making it less hospitable for these bad guys. Plus, it can also help neutralize acids from the foods you eat, protecting your tooth enamel. Think of it as giving your mouth a mini spa day. One study found that rinsing with a baking soda solution was more effective at reducing plaque than plain water. So give it a try, but please don't skip out on brushing and flossing. Your dentist and your breath will thank you. Skin health benefits. Did you know baking soda could also be good for your skin? This humble powder has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, which makes it a great option for treating various skin conditions like acne, eczema, and even bug bites. For instance, a baking soda paste can help soothe the itching and inflammation from insect bites. Or if you're dealing with a sunburn, a baking soda bath might just be your new best friend. Just dissolve 1 to 2 cups in a lukewarm bath and soak away. But remember, everyone's skin is different. What works wonders for one person might not do the trick for another. So always patch test and consult with a dermatologist before trying new treatments. Muscle pain and fatigue relief. We talked earlier about baking soda's potential to improve athletic performance. Well, it might also help you recover faster after exercise. Intense workouts can lead to a buildup of lactic acid in your muscles, contributing to muscle soreness afterward. Drinking baking soda water before or after a workout could help neutralize this lactic acid, reducing muscle pain and fatigue. A study even found that people who took baking soda before a high-intensity workout reported less muscle pain afterward. So if you're tired of waddling around like a penguin after leg day, maybe consider adding a bit of baking soda to your recovery routine. How to prepare baking soda water. Now, let's get practical. How do you prepare this magical baking soda water? It's simple. Start by adding half a teaspoon of baking soda to about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Mix it well until the baking soda is fully dissolved. And voila, your homemade remedy is ready. For best results, drink the solution slowly, preferably on an empty stomach. This can help maximize its effectiveness for relieving heartburn or digestive issues. But remember, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can quickly turn bad. Precautions and final tips. Precautions and warnings. Now, before you go chugging baking soda water like it's the elixir of life, let's talk precautions. Baking soda is high in sodium, so if you have high blood pressure, heart issues, or kidney problems, you might want to think twice. Also, baking soda can interact with some medications, including antacids and certain antibiotics. So, always consult a healthcare professional before making baking soda a regular part of your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions. Remember, we're here to improve our health, not complicate it. Closing thoughts and reminders. To recap, baking soda water has a range of potential health benefits, from relieving heartburn and preventing kidney stones to improving exercise performance and oral health. But like with anything in life, it's important to use it wisely. Don't go overboard, and always consult with a healthcare provider for chronic issues. So, have you tried drinking baking soda water? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips and tricks. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit. And check out our other videos for more on staying healthy and fit. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. See you next time.